So today's video, I have a massive Walmart jeans haul. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a Walmart jeans haul. Everything's under 30 and they have been some of my favorite staple jeans at an affordable price, and they are just so perfect and I can't wait to share. As always, everything will be linked down in the description box below. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this first pair of jeans, I really wasn't sure about, and in fact, every time that I put them in my cart and I went to purchase, they were sold out like so fast in my size and the size below and the size above. So it's quite a popular pair. These jeans are by the Sofia Jeans brand. I get my original size, which is a size 4, and I really love all the distress that's going on. They have distress on the knees. They are super stretchy and comfortable. The color of these jeans are really great. They can transition really well from all seasons in my opinion. Super stretchy. A lot of the jeans that I got in today's haul happen to actually be by Sofia, and I was really impressed because I never bought jeans from Walmart and I'm really happy that I did. So the next pair are actually 2 pairs in 2 different washes. I have worn these and I have washed. So the wash has been great. It did not fade onto other clothes. You know how when you get new denim, they're really blue, and if you don't properly wash them separately, it can kind of get onto other clothes that you might have inside your wash. I feel like the bootcut jean is making its way back. I've always loved the bootcut jean. I just think that they're so classic and timeless and wearable, so it's like you can't get rid of them. So I'm glad I held on to pairs, but I'm also so glad that I have new pairs. So this is the mid-wash style. The color is really beautiful and it's not super faded in all the wrong places, so that's good. Here are the back details, and I love the dark wash. The dark wash is a really beautiful deep blue with a little bit of whiskering going on, not too much where it looks tacky, so that's great. They are button and zip. The next pair, of course, is another Sofia jean. I don't know, I'm just like really thrilled with her jeans, and I'm really thrilled with the fit, the comfort, and the style, and most of all, the stretch. So these ones are the Louisa high-rise wide leg crop jeans. I'm gonna be real, not my favorite. I am not about this baggy style. I know a lot of people are, and it's like super trendy and it's so cute, and some girls can totally pull it off, but I just think for my body shape, not cool, not good. But I did want to show the jeans to you, and so you can, you know, maybe they're your jam and you love them. But I will show you what they look like on the body to give you an idea. They are extremely stretchy. I did get them in my size 4, and I probably could have sized down because it just, I don't know, they just felt very roomy, and it felt like after you wore them they would be really big, and it's almost like those pants that you want to throw in the dryer so they shrink, so they fit you like new again. These ones seemed to run big, but some of y'all can pull it off. I just don't think for me and my body shape I can. Okay, so the next jean is like all over social media. It's the jean of the season. They are the mom jeans and the only pair of non-Sofia jeans that I have. These are by No Boundaries. They are in the junior section located inside Walmart. I love to shop the junior section, but I know my sizing and I don't know how to go about the sizing, so I either really oversize, end up buying like really bigger sizes than I am. But for this one, I took a lot of recommendations. I read all the reviews and I ended up ordering a size 5 in the juniors, and it fit me great. I was really pleased with the style. They are super not stretchy, so just keep that in mind. I know that they have quite a lot of colors. The black pair seems to run extremely extremely small. I was able to grab a pair of black pair in 5, but they were too tight. So I would recommend, if you go for the black pair, go up a size. So if I'm a size 4 in women's and I went to a size 5 in juniors, I really don't know like what the equation of that would be. I would just recommend that you try them on. But do keep in mind it feels like they're stretch, but it doesn't feel like they're stretched when they're on. So here feels stretchy, but on not so much. But anyways, the mom high-rise jeans, really high-waisted, super big knee cutout, really cute, really on trend for this season. And there is some whiskering going on. This is the dark wash that I got. I tried to get the lighter wash, you know, to hold over to springtime, but they were completely sold out. So if they come back in stock, I will keep y'all posted, and I will make sure that I find a link and I put it down in the description for you guys. These are really cute, and they're really cute on. So yeah. Okay, so my next pair may not be for y'all, may not be for any of y'all, but for me, I like them. They're different, they're unique, and they're kind of wild. And they are, again, Sofia Jeans. They have tremendous stretch, but here, check out the detail. There's like a little bit of, I don't know what you would call that, but that's going on down there. I think they're really cute, and honestly, they fit me really great, and I love that. I love that they're just like second skin feeling. Aside from the frilly frills, they are really great jeans. If you're not a fan of the frilly frills or whatever these are, no worries. I like these jeans. I think that these are great for spring, but also great for winter. It's such a great wash, and it's not like a really faded, bad, kind of cheap looking wash. It looks good. Like, I like it. These are probably one of my second favorite jeans out of this entire haul, believe it or not. All doing nothing but the Sofia jeans. Okay, so these jeans are the Baggy boyfriend jeans, and they are baggy. And again, another pair of jeans that I feel that would stretch over time if you wear them, that you want to throw them in the dryer, re-shrink them so they fit a little more snug. I like jeans really tight. That's just what I like. These jeans are very relaxed and very comfortable. The color is great because it's not a really true deep black. It's not a gray either. It's kind of like a faded, distressed gray black, but I really like it. I think that the color is really cool. It's great jeans, lots of stretch. Now the last pair is my favorite pair, which I've worn multiple times and I've washed a lot already, and it still was able to retain the black color. They are a pair of, you guessed it, Sofia jeans, and they are black, and it's all about the detail for me. Like, I really love the skinny jean, but it's the detail here on the ankle that I am just jamming about. Like, I love it. It's adorable. And these are, I got size 4 short. Now they do hit me kind of a little bit above the ankle, so I can pair them with like booties, and they look really great. If you want them longer, they do have another option for that. I am 5'7" for reference, and I was able to get a size 4 short, and you'll see in the picture how they look on my body. And for reference, these are called the Rosa curvy ankle jean, and they are stretchy because a girl loves a stretchy pair of jeans. Also on her pants, she does not have a whole bunch of like crazy stuff going around on the pockets, which I like and I can appreciate, because the biggest pet peeve I have about jeans is like so much detail or like distractions on jeans. I just like simple classic things that I can change with what I already own and what I already have. And you know, at the price tag that these jeans are, like, you cannot go wrong. Like, and Walmart is stepping up their game for sure. especially in the clothing area. So yeah, that's it for today's Walmart jean haul. I hope that you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and for more videos and content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and keep an eye out weekly for new videos. I do tons of videos here on this channel. It is a mashup of many random things, from recipe videos to lifestyle to beauty, fashion, you name it, it's here. I'd love to have you. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Besitos.